Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a date feature to your WordPress website in 2025. Whether you want to display the current date at the top of your site, show post dates, or add a time element for visitors, this guide will walk you through the easiest method step by step. So let's dive in. First, log into your WordPress account. The quickest way is by heading over to wordpress.com and clicking continue with Google if you want to save some time. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. On the right side, you'll see the quick links panel. From there, click edit site to open the WordPress site editor. Now, once you're in the editor, you'll notice the add button in the top left corner. This is your main tool for inserting new blocks into your page. Go ahead and click it. In the search bar, type date. WordPress provides a built-in date block that you can easily insert anywhere on your page. Click on the date block and it'll drop directly into your layout. From here, you can move it around. For example, placing it in the header so the date always shows at the top, or positioning it in the footer if you want a more minimal look. Next, let's customize it. The block settings on the right-hand panel let you choose the date format, whether you want it short, long, or numeric. You can also adjust font size, alignment, and even colors to match your site's branding. If you'd like to automatically display the current date every time someone visits, make sure the dynamic option is enabled. If your theme supports it, you can also edit post templates so the publish date shows up under blog titles. This is especially useful for content-heavy sites where readers need to know when the article was last updated. Once you're happy with the placement and design, hit asterisk, save asterisk in the top right corner. Your date will now be live on your site. And that's it. You've successfully added a date to your WordPress website. It's a simple change, but it adds a layer of professionalism and clarity for your visitors. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you want me to cover more WordPress tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.